Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A52. In this video I'll show you how to turn on floating shutter button and how to remove it. Okay, so let's open the camera and go to settings. Scroll down and enter shooting methods. Tap here to enable floating shutter button. Go back, and as you can see right now we've got floating shutter button in camera. To remove it, go back to shooting methods in settings and press the button to disable floating shutter button, or drag it right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.